If Monday.com is showing a Workspace not loading error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back into your workspace quickly. This is especially helpful if the page is stuck, content isn't opening, or you're seeing access issues related to user permissions. Make sure to watch until the end, because the final step is one of the most important ones. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. First, refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com simply fails to load because of a temporary browser glitch or a short connection issue, and a simple refresh is enough to bring everything back. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet speed. Open your browser, search for speed test, and run a quick test to make sure your connection is stable. A slow or unstable internet connection can cause Monday.com workspaces to stop loading correctly, especially if there are lots of boards, updates, or large files trying to sync. If your connection looks fine, move on to clearing your browser cache. This is one of the most effective fixes, because old cache data and cookies can interfere with the way Monday.com loads. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. Then choose Cache and Cookies. Clear them, and restart your browser. Once the browser opens again, try loading Monday.com one more time. If the issue is still there, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can block scripts that Monday.com needs to display the workspace properly. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that might interfere, especially ad blockers. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com and check if the workspace loads normally. If you still can't get in, the final thing to check is workspace access and user permissions. Go to Monday.com, open the workspace, and make sure the user account you're signed in with actually has permission to view that workspace. If the permissions are missing or restricted, the workspace may appear as though it is not loading, when in reality, access has simply been limited. This step is especially important in shared teams or organizations, where admins control visibility and access. If needed, ask the workspace owner or admin to review the permissions and make sure your account has the right access level. In many cases, one of these 5 steps will solve the problem right away. Refresh the page, test your internet, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, and verify workspace permissions. If the workspace still isn't loading after that, the issue may be account-specific or temporary on Monday.com side, and trying again later or contacting support may help. I hope this helped you fix the Monday.com workspace not loading error. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Monday.com issue.